Hello everyone, here I am Mr. Ziliang. Along with my two friends, we are going to visit the quarantine camp in Haflong. Some may think that we may approach and we may be facing some problem. Never feel scared of us because there is a volunteer to pass the things which we have brought. So we are not going to interfere with us. Some may think that it may not be a right one what we are doing today, but please consider us that we are helping them. And as per the golf rule, we are not going to enter and we are not going to touch them. Just we are going to leave the thing which we have brought and we will be going back safely. Here is a message for our beloved brother and sister who are staying in the quarantine camps. We all are with you and we are ready to support you. As we all know that you all are facing the problem and difficulties, so our government and our leaders are looking after you all. So please never share the video which may hurt to our government, which may hurt to our leaders. Have patience. As we know, you all are facing problem because you have lost your job. You are not longer feel free. You don't get a time to do whatever you want. You don't get whatever you want to eat, whatever you want to drink. Still then, to overcome, we are doing all those. Sometimes as a human, there may be some failure. Please consider them that they are trying their level best to serve you all. Kêu này anh hình mà tới giờ bà mẹ anh nuôi pipe mà nông nuôi chung ngã đuôi bây ngã trở lại đây nông nuôi lông chạy slow tại nên nông nuôi đâu tàu bơi ta này anh nuôi cái liters mà pere kia cái siap sam sai slow nên phần nuôi dây đâu dây suy mong tới giờ lại đây tại nên nông nuôi hay rồi lấy bây giờ nông nuôi có problem đâu chỉ lấy nông nuôi làm mấy quăng giờ nông nuôi có nokri tới ông gà giờ nông nuôi có nokri gà giờ nông nuôi quăng làm số cái nông nuôi có job tới giờ bà lấy này giờ salary deng auto di wang ba me chi bi nang ni here ba me chi le suppose that nang ni long chase lo ani ku leaders man ni changa rang re di la le news ram me sia bra me ko me chi den ram ne pi lo jang ni choi ri te te ra bra ma ne gya za kang ma go si me go ki na me go am news ram as pe te ma kale ka se ba apa video ko ne nang ni je kya mai za la le go we cannot directly approach to them, so we are calling by phone.
नेटवर्क वे नेटवर्क कम तो टाइम है
Nobody, I mean, wrong direction.
शिक्षा भवन है
Tí tới đúng không? Quý kita sẽ đây nhiều suy như thế. Without they are staying here in the golf. Ting sang ano ya taklo tu. Tí tới đây nó mình sẽ vậy. Giờ lên. Đấy.
ते lo मैं वीडियो रे बा
Don't tell. Tí hình tại ra quay hình.
ना इधर तनका खाता है कम से कम है कम से कम में वो बंदा
Kasih pun dia pamsi malu. That's all. We are going back. Though we visit there, we don't touch them. We don't approach them. We just keep the thing which we have brought and we went back. Never feel scared of us. Okay, we are safe. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please never forget to give thumbs up. And if you are newly visited to our channel, do subscribe and share with your friends.